Catnip magic. How my cats react to this fun herb. Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about something super exciting for our furry friends. Catnip. Have you ever wondered why cats go crazy for it? Well, let's find out. Catnip is a natural herb from the mint family that contains a compound called nepentolactone. This is what triggers playful and sometimes hilarious reactions in cats. Not all cats respond to catnip, but for those who do, the effects are amazing. Some cats get super playful, rolling around and purring, while others just relax and enjoy the scent. Here are some tips when using catnip. Use it in moderation. Too much can make cats immune to it. Not all cats react to catnip. Around 30% of cats don't feel its effects. You can sprinkle it on toys, scratching posts, or even use catnip spray. That was so much fun! Do your cats love catnip? Let me know in the comments.